multiplying mixed number. Look, this is a mixed number, this is a mixed number, and we need to multiply these two numbers together. So a mixed number has two parts. One is whole number part, another is fractional part. Whole number part, fractional part. However, to multiply these two mixed number, at first we have to convert this mixed number to improper fraction, right? Improper fraction means where numerator is greater than denominator. So look at this. So to convert this mixed number to improper fraction, we have to take the same denominator, then we have to multiply this whole number times this denominator. Then we have to add the numerator times, and we have to apply the same things. We have to take the same denominator, then we have to multiply whole number and denominator 4 times 2, plus we have to add this numerator. So we are getting, look, 1 times 6 plus 5 divided by 6 times 4 plus 2, that gives us 8 plus 1 divided by 2. Look, now 6 plus 5, 11 divided by 6 times 9 over 2. Look, this 6 and this 9 has a common denominator, a common factor, which is 3. So if you divide this 9 by 3, then you will get 3, and if you divide this 6 by 3, then you will get 2. So you are getting here 11 over 2 times 3 over 2. Just we have reduced, right? Now to multiply this fraction with this fraction, so we have to multiply top to top, then bottom to bottom. So 11 times 3 divided by 2 times 2. That is, we are getting here 33 divided by 4, right? Look, this is an improper fraction. Our result should be in mixed numbers. So to do so, what will happen? You have to divide this 33 by 4. That is, you have to apply long division method, right? So you have to divide this 33. You have to divide 33 by 4. Look, 4 times 6 equal to 24, then 4 times 7 equal to 28, then 4 times 8 equal to 32. So 4 goes into 33 8 times. 8 times 4, that gives us 32. If you subtract, then you are getting 1, right? Okay, now you can express, you have to, remainder will be the numerator and divisor will be, here 4 will be, divisor will be the denominator. So 33 divided by 4 equal to 8 and 1 over 4. So this is the answer. So if you multiply mixed number with another mixed number, then your result should be in mixed number.